Ayan. Hello guys, ito nasa pier na tayo, Batangas. So nasa Batangas na tayo, Batangas Port, going to Manila. So maulan guys. So ano lang tayo, malatakbo lang tayo.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by you. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. I'll do what I want.
Gusto natin makapag-video ng ulan. Dito guys, maulan, umaga po sa lahat ng mga viewers, Mr. Macaulay Drive subscribers again. Hindi nakita ko. Kaya ako ng pulat ng helmet, saka naman ng ulan. Tubig. Saturday, oh. Tayo na. Ito na, Saturday, oh.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've been too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
Unang kata na. Bye.
too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes.
Stop-over muna kami dito, guys. Time check tayo. Time check. Time check, guys. 3:16 in the morning. 3:16 in the morning. We are here at the gasoline station of Expressway. So hindi ko alam yung lugar kung ano kasi wala nakasign kung ano yun. Pero magkakape muna tayo and after mag-coffee then let's go na ulit. Okay. Yan, mag-coffee tayo. Ang sunog po. Yeah, tama, sticker. Yan na, nakabalag po ako. Subscribe lang po. Madam, sticker po. Baka may kasama kayo. Salamat po madam, nakabalag po ako madam oh. Thank you madam, thank you po. Yan oh, nakabalag po ako madam ha. Anong pangalan po niya?
Ellen po.
Ellen, yun, shoutout kay ma'am Ellen. Maganda dito sa Lipa. Ate sir ah?
Yes, sir.
Sir, nakabalag ako. Bigay tayong sticker ah.
Ayun. Ang tama.
Pa-subscribe na lang po ito, dalawin mo na. Para ano?
Sige po.
Punta kami ng ano, Rizal.
Rizal po.
Namon, lakas na ulan sa pier. Buli, pagdating dito, hindi na gano. O yan, si Troy. Dumi ni Troy, kanina, ganda. Kanina malakas na malakas, boss. Yan, dati yung kwento kintab yung ngayon, no? Yan si Troy, oh. Litik na. Yan. Yan. Alright. Nang? Oo. Okay, ito na. Start na tayo. Yeah, ano po yung pangalan mo? Okay. Okay na kami, okay na?
Fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Ito na ang labasan. Sabi nito, no?
As you fade away.
Alright guys, we are here at Expressway again. Tayo mga laking truck. Tayo na tayo mga laking truck. Lalapit na ako. Lalapit na ako kayo. Oh, dito. Okay lang. Ha? Parang naulan.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world and keep the sky on your mind. Flying. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
Diretso, diretso.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why, hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, I'm an emotional mess.
Okay. Tolo, shoutout kayo. Naka-vlog yan. Pangalan mo?
Jeffrey.
Oh, Jeffrey, shoutout. Ikaw? Okay, ito isa. Okay. Shoutout dito sa... Anong pangalan ng shop nyo, tol?
Naklase yun, Tomas.
Ayun, The Classy Auto Wash. Dito kami nagpakarwas ni Camaria. Dito kay Troy. Ayun. Oh. Hindi, binakstol nila eh. Hindi mo na akong lens mo ko. Alright. Ito rin, bagong karawas, bagong linis, gwapong-gwapo. Pero guys, going to Cardona na kami. Ano ko dito sa Troy, okay na. Pag-linis na kahit ang paano. Yes, na ulit siya, pero ang linis sa 10, siguro mga 6 lang para sa akin. Kasi klase ako maglinis eh. namin daan mamaya. Okay. Alright. Bago dito, grabe. Meron madami. Ang lakar naman. Ang ganda oh, Dunkin Donut. Ganda no? Bundok Hinukay. Ayan. Okay, kita pawinsin, malapit ko rin. Dito nung basa, nakakatakot dito namin. Parang dulas. Alright, dito na tayo sa Torquay. Shout out, Idol Torquay. Shout out, Torquay boy. Ay, nahanap ako. Okay, si Cardona, Rizal. Tayo. Dito tayo kabila. Dito tayo. Tanda ko to eh. Kaya ako Cardona, Rizal. Ang tawag din natin, 11-19. Oo. Sabi niya.